Chef Tony wears his hat so tall, ready to cook for one and all. Pots and pans begin to shine, cooking time is simply fine. Yummy fun inside the hall. Tony mixes batter around, flour and milk spin all around. Stir it slowly, stir it fast, cooking fun that always lasts. Sweet cakes will soon be found. Tony spreads the sauce so red, cheese and veggies nicely spread. Pizza baking in the heat, soon it will be fun to eat. Yummy smells begin to spread, pancakes flipping in the pan. Tony cheers, eyes I can. Golden circles, soft and sweet, stack them high for all to eat. Breakfast fun for every fan, cookies baking warm and sweet. Chocolate chips are such a treat. Tony waits beside the oven, watching treats he really loves. Soon it's time to grab and eat. Apples, bananas, oranges too. Tony cuts them just for you. Mix them in a bowl so bright, healthy snacks are such delight. Fruit salad fresh and new, fruit salad fresh and new. Cupcakes waiting on the tray, Tony decorates them today. Pink frosting and sprinkles bright, colorful and fun to bite. Sweet delight. Soup is cooking in the pot, Tony stirs it nice and hot. Veggies dancing in the steam, cooking feels just like a dream. Yummy soup we like a lot. Tony brings the plates with cheer, friends and family gather near. Pizza, cookies, treats to share. Happy smiles everywhere. Dinner time is finally here. Tony cooks so many treats, tasty snacks and yummy eats. Friends all clap and laugh for boy, cooking fun can't